everyone, it's Angel Aditi this side. So everyone great hair. If not, then I'm here to brighten up your day. So lately it's like just morning and I woke up and did my brushing thing and all, washing my face with face wash and everything. It's like a daily routine, right? So suddenly I got the urge to make a video of your Yandere upcoming love blessings. Okay, this video is going to be only for the October month. Okay, so take it whatever resonates and leave the rest. Okay, and Holy Spirit angel guides, please guide me. Like vivid dreams. Okay, basically I'm clairvoyant empath. Okay, and also sheer, and also I'm using the deck which is light sheer. This is going to be a general reading, so it's not going to resonate with all of you out there, but still I'm going to try cover all of the people who are watching me or who are going to watch me later onwards. Okay, maybe you will come across this video afterwards after October, but it's okay, it's never mind. Okay, so 111, 222, 1111, very much prominent, 333, all of the angel numbers are over here. 111, that's a confirmation. Okay, while I'm recording it, Holy Spirit angel guys, please guide me. What Yandere love blessings are coming for my collective reading people? Collective reading people. Okay. Oh, too many cards. I'm not going to take them, but I'm going to take this one. Okay. It's like that most of you out there are very much, I'm feeling very much, some of the half of the portion is very much hesitant. Half of the portion is like, okay, I'm done with this shit, I'm done with this thing, I'm done, I'm just going to follow my dreams. Most of the feminines are watching me, that's why I'm telling you. Okay, but okay, I'm going to take this one, I'm not going to take this one. Okay, very much like our souls are very much screaming, our souls are very much searching for that loyal person. Okay, irrespective of any of the gender, we are just looking for a person which is going to be our forever. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. So I'm currently getting, I'm going to check the past, present and future. So currently I'm getting past and present, both of the reading together. It's like the first card came is 4 of Cups. Okay, and another, the Moon in reverse. Okay, and King of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, and bottom of the deck is Hermit. So I can feel like that this person, whosoever you are dealing with, okay, that like their energies are not that much consistent. Okay, they are not that much like consistent in giving a contrast or some kind of a like very much, what do you say, relief in this connection or whatever the connection you are dealing with. Either it's friendship, either it's like co-worker or something like that, or either it's classmate or any of the situation wherever you are. Okay, it's like that your Yandere is very much confused that what kind of energies feminines are giving them. That's why they cannot be able to elaborate that if you want them or if you don't want them. Okay, it's like that this person and even you guys are, okay, this is a mirroring energies. This is a mirroring energies that you guys are not, like, you guys are very much frustrated that why isn't this happening. Everyone is out there giving this kind of a reading that this is going to happen this time, this is going to happen this time, but not everything happening. But let me clarify, and also some kind of a financial crisis is going on in your life or in their life or something like that. But I feel like that this person is wealthy, whosoever you are rooting for, low-key, not in a wealthy like in that kind of a sense. Even they can be wealthy in their mindset, even they can be wealthy in their heart. Okay, and even wealthy with their passionate side as well. Okay, so what kind of a blessing is coming your way? Okay, they're telling me to take the first card. Take the first card. Oh, they are telling me that it's like a huge kind of a blessing coming out. 444, that's a confirmation. Okay, so you have been patient, and I know that you guys are tired hearing the same thing again and again, that your patience is going to pay it off, and it's literally going to be paid off. but timing differs. Okay, either this can be 4 to 5, 6, 8, 9 months or weeks or days. Okay, but max to max 2 to 3, 4, 5 years, max to max 5, 10, that's a confirmation. So I'm not going to tell you that it's a kind of for 10 years or something like that. Max to max 5 years. Within 5 years, so many things are going to change. So many things are going to change. Like, you guys are already changed or changing phase. Okay, so the cards came 4 of Wands and Temperance. Okay, and that is 5 of Cups. I don't know why I was expecting, whenever I see that 4 of Cups and 5 of Cups energy, that it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and the Sun. Okay, and also Knight of Wands. Is that, yeah, Knight of Wands and the Hierophant. Wow, nice. Okay, 6, 4, 8, 7, 9 number are also prominent, like your Mulank or something like that, and the bottom of the deck is the Star. You guys are highly passionate about your goals. You guys have changed a lot. You guys are working a lot, and lately some of the people who are watching me, even like I can see ants over there. Okay, they are just, whatever the things about ants are, like, they don't give up. No matter you're going to put your hand in their direction, they're just going to keep walking. They're just going to change their direction. You are like these people. Okay, these ants, that I'm not comparing you with the things, but still, that they are very much nurturing. They also take care of one another, and they just feed their queen whatever, like queen ant. So I'm getting this energy that most of the feminines in this connection, irrespective of the gender, most of the feminines in this connection are very highly like a Empress energy. Okay, and most of the masculines are still healing. They are in this king form. Okay, there are 4 kings in this deck. Okay, and they are in tarot basically, and they are coming out of that king phase and becoming emperor. So in that phase, that they are taking their time. You guys are aware of that, and it's going to take some time, because I can feel like that some of the people in this reading are at their early phases, and some of the reading in the middle, and some of the people are almost reaching their end, like this connection clarification end, whichever you needed. You guys don't want this kind of a clarification that, okay, something cheesy is going to happen, something that is going to happen, but cheesy is for real going to happen. Cheesy stuff is for real going to happen in this connection. 777 is also a confirmation. So I feel like that maybe like your birthday is in November, December, or any of the like seasons, irrespective of that, or any of the signs, whichever you're resonating. But I'm currently seeing Cups energy, Fire energy, and Pentacles energy. Every energy is present over here. Okay, and if you will talk about the Emperor energy, that is basically Aries, Sun, Moon, or Rising, or any of the stars, Saturn, or any stuff. But still, this connection will reach its fulfillment end, and you are going to get the love blessings whichever you desire. Even 555 is prominent. It's like that most of the people out there, most of the yandere out there is very much confused. They are highly in love with you, but still some of the, irrespective of any of the parties, don't take the resonating energies of the parties. Okay, otherwise they will genuinely affect in your life. Okay, also you have done your shadow work, your healing work, and maybe take it however it resonates, but I can feel like that some of the person, either you or either them, are doing their healing. So it will take some time, 3 to 4, 6, 8, 9 weeks, days, or months. Okay, but not more than 5 years. Okay, but before you end up in this relationship, I can feel like that you will give up on this connection, and you will come to a clarification that no, this wasn't for me, and I was the dilemma, I was delusional, and I wasn't what I was thinking. But this patience is going to pay you off. Okay, that's what the universe wants you to be, very much independent, so that most of the feminines, if you will become very much independent in this more Empress form, that you are focused towards your goals, focused towards your energy, focused towards the stuff, then your masculine don't have any choice but to come towards you. And either some of the females or some of the males will end up with the one, the desire, or the soulmates. Okay, because I can feel like that the twin flames in this connection are very much like very tough, but still this is going to reach its good end. Either you'll end up with that person, or either you will end up with someone who is for you. 10-10, that's a confirmation. Okay, so clarification, family and everything is coming in your life. Everything is coming in your life. Okay, like, okay, fly doesn't really come in this kind of energy, but still they are coming. It's like a very much prominent energy that you need to just go through this phase of hating the one who is for you. Okay. Like, the fly doesn't harm us, but still we are irritated by them. Okay, so it's like that you need to go through that. And let me see your blessings. Okay, wow, you're going to end up 9 of cups, 10 of cups and the lovers. I'll see you guys in the next reading. Take care of yourself. 11, that's a confirmation. Okay, don't give up on yourself.